Okay, we all have had that aha moment where we want to just organize our tabs in a big sheet, especially when there's a lot of them. So I've got two examples here. One is Excel and one is Google Docs. So you can see that I've got a couple of sheets here in my Excel file. If I come down here to sheet, if I right click, I can rename it. This is going to be animals. But I have to spell it right, so there's that. And then in this one, we're going to rename it to feeding times. Okay, but I want to just visually be able to see these. I can right click and you can see here where it says tab color, and I want my animal tab color to be red, and I want my feeding time tab color to be blue. So visually, when I come in here really quickly, I can just get to the tab I want. So again, a right click and change the color. And I can change it back to no color if I want. So there we go. The same exact principle goes in Google. So from here, I can right click and I can change the color. In this case, I want the color to be orange, and I want this one color to be blue. And that, hopefully, down here you can see that orange and blue, and just give you a nice visual representation of how to change the colors, draw attention. Oftentimes I work in big Excel documents with lots of tabs, and I don't necessarily need some of the tabs. I'm done with them. I'll mark them a certain color, green. Green means done. And I'll use the ones that I'm actively editing as red. And then that's a visual clue to whoever else might get into that document that we're only working in the reds. So that's how you change the colors in a tab. Thanks.